Hi friends, this is Philosophical Foundation of Education. It is belongs to first semester. Now I want to tell and I want to introduce about sub chapter wise questions and review questions. These are review questions also. In this paper we have 5 units. Let us see. We have 5 units. First unit, Introduction to Philosophy and Education. Indian Education Historical Perspective. Eastern Systems of Philosophy and Western Schools of Philosophy. Value Education, Teaching as a Profession. These 5 units. Now I will give review questions from each unit. Explain the aims of education. Describe the meaning, nature, and scope of philosophy of education. What are the functions of education? List them out. What are the main aims of education in the emerging society? How is the knowledge of educational philosophy helpful for the teacher? Discuss the relationship between education and philosophy. State the importance of knowledge as an aim of education. Why do you consider to be an important aim? Write briefly about the ancient system of education. Explain the chief characteristics of education during the Buddhist period. Write the merits and demerits of British system of education. What are the merits and demerits of medieval period of education? Write briefly Maculae minutes. Write the recommendations of Sargent Commission. Write the silent features of NPE 1986. Write the silent features of POA 1992. Write the silent features of NCF 2005. Describe the position of women education in India during the medieval period. Write the salient features of Hunter Commission. Write the salient features of Hartow's Commission. What are the thoughts of education according to Rabindranath Tagore? Explain. What are the thoughts of education according to Mahatma Gandhi? Explain. What are the thoughts of education according to Aurobindo Ghosh? Explain. What are the thoughts of education according to Jiddu Krishnamurti? Explain. Explain the chief characteristics of existentialism and the educational thoughts. Externalism and the educational thoughts. Describe the educational aims of idealism. Write the role of teacher in it. Explain the educational philosophy of naturalism and its consequences. Compare and contrast the philosophy of idealism with neutralism and pragmatism with different regards. Explain the educational aims of pragmatism. Explain the chief characteristics of externalism and the educational thoughts. Explain the Sankhya philosophy of education. Explain the Yoga philosophy of education. Explain the Navya philosophy of education. Explain the Vedanta philosophy of education. Write the meaning and definition of values. Write the characteristics of values. Write a short note on value crisis. What are the approaches to inculcate values? Write the values of harmony with life. What are the characteristics of an ideal teacher? Explain the competencies required for a teacher. Explain the code of conduct to be followed by a teacher. What are the professional ethics of teachers? Explain. Write a short note on teachers as a national builder. How can you say that teacher is a creator and facilitator of knowledge? Thank you friends. This is review questions. These are all review questions from unit 5.